Hey, what's up? What's up, all my subscribers? What's up to all the traders? Rami Z back at it, trading again. I haven't dropped in a video in a while now, but been kind of busy working on this little side business and trading here and there, waiting for the right plays. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about this crypto thing and all these Bitcoin things. I'm getting a lot of emails and stuff. People are asking me, am I in Bitcoin or am I in Litecoin or stuff like that. I do have a little bit of Bitcoin, not that much, not barely, a couple $100, and I think it was like $400 or $500 I put in Bitcoin, and I think I bought Litecoin also. This was like a month ago, and I'm just just trying it out. I don't really have too much knowledge about it, but I think for the long run that this is going to spread throughout the world and basically going to eliminate cash one day. It's almost a cashless society, so this thing's going to take over. That's what I'm thinking. It might be a bubble, but you never know where that bubble's going to burst at. It might burst at 20,000, it might burst at 100,000, it might burst at 1,000,000. So just trying to ride it for now. But I've been playing these Bitcoin related stocks. All these companies, they're just putting Bitcoin in their names, or something. We have something to do with Bitcoin, or we're crypto mining now, or all these companies, if they're putting Bitcoin in their name or saying that they have anything to do with Bitcoin, it's basically jumping up on volume, and that's what people want to hear. And I've been trading these stocks. Earlier I was in BTCS, play the V-shape pattern. I know you guys probably never heard of the V-shape pattern, but it's one of my favorite shapes. When you see a V at the bottom and the first candle becomes green and becomes a strong, basically it's the bottom of the V, and at the same time this thing went from red to green. As soon as it finished the V-shaped pattern, it moved from red to green. We had a little volume come in and jumped a little bit. I think I grabbed like 9% on there. Then let me see, I think it's BTSC, yeah, another Bitcoin play. I seen it was dropping about 15% on the day. Got in at exactly almost at the bottom at 25.10 exactly. Right now we're at 25.9, and let me show you this chart real fast. I bought in right here somewhere. I could have took my profits right here on the V-shaped pattern, but I only bought 1,000 shares, so that would have only been like $10-15. I wouldn't even have covered commissions. I only put a couple, like $250 in this one today, just to practice my discipline a little more. I said it. My plan was, I see a lot of support at 25 cents. If we look back, let's take it back to a 5-day chart, 5-minute chart. Probably a 10-day. Let's try a 10-day. I see a lot of support right here, where the breakout happened last time on this V-shaped or U-shaped pattern. But I see a lot of support right here. But I seen a lot of sellers selling at 26 cents. But I seen a lot of buyers buying at 25. So I basically bought at 25.10 with the buyers. Could have sold out. Let's say if I had instead of 1,000 shares, if I had 10,000 shares, I could have sold out right away and bought made $100 real fast. I'm only practicing my discipline and taking this trade. And I actually got another email from someone on YouTube, or a message. They want to know how I put my orders in on Thinkorswim. There's different ways. Now, I usually put my order in from my phone, like I said before. But let's say I put my order on my phone and I want to cancel it. Or let's say, you know what, this thing's going up, let me just take it up a little bit, it might break this. I just press that and move it. You know what, I want to sell at 28 cents. Okay, let's just say, for example, and take you a 5-minute chart. you know what, I think this thing, the volume is going to come in, more buyers are going to come in, let's say for example, and I think it's going to cover the U shape. So I'm going to put my order in at right here, 28 cents. Just say for example, let's say I wanted to bring my sell lower. I'll take it. You know what, I don't think this thing's going to pass 26 something, so you know what, I'm going to put it in at 26.5. Because I don't think I don't see momentum. This thing's red on the day, blah blah blah. Whatever you're thinking, you have to trade for yourself. You have to figure out what kind of plan you have. My plan is basically to sell at 27 or to cut losses at 24 cents. So it's a 3-to-1 risk to reward. Maybe 2.5 if I was going to take profits at 26.5. So it's a tiny trade. Just want to practice discipline. Another way you could buy is you could buy the ask or sell the bid. Buy the ask means buy the ask. So if I wanted to buy, this guy selling for 26 cents, you know what, I put my quality in it over here for 1,000. So I wanted to buy the ask. Let's say I wanted to buy it, it's probably going to reject it because I'm already in it. Or yeah, so it's not gonna work right now. But yeah, see, this thing's getting breaking 26 now. So you know what, let me take my order up a little bit, because my original plan was to sell it at 26.5 really. So I'm gonna be a little more patient. I wanted to do basically the same thing BTCS did. It was a V-shaped pattern and went red to green, but I'm not gonna get too greedy on this. If this was if I was playing a big size, I would sell half my shares already right here, just to cut and take some of the profits off the table. But I'm gonna be a little patient with this. If I wanted to cancel my order, all I have to do is click this X, bam. So we see canceled sell right here, so it canceled right away. Let's say I don't have a phone and I want to make a buy. Here's one way of doing it. I right click, you know what, or I want to sell it since I'm already in it. You know what, I want to sell this at 26.85. So I right click on this, I'll put sell. There's different ways. You could put a stop limit, you could put, let's say I want to sell, and since I already have my 1,000 quantity in here, I'll put it, or it knows how much I have, and I have it in here, so 1,000 will pop up right away, and I could sell. If I have this up here by the ask, sell the bid, because I don't like to anticipate the bottoms. When I see the bottom, sometimes I'll buy the ask, or sometimes if the stock's going too fast, I'll sell the bid. So there's different ways of doing it. You could even go down here and place your orders. You know what, I want to make it a trailing stop, or I want to make it a market order. I want to play with this. You guys have to practice. Know your tools. This is a great tool. I'm going to be doing a video on how to set up Thinkorswim scanner real soon, because I got a couple questions on that. And I'll be doing that pretty soon. See, this right here is doing a U-shape right now. Hopefully a breakout. And I'm taking profits at 26, hopefully. My sell orders at 26.84. I'm just gonna drop that a little bit right here. Don't want to get greedy while you guys trade. Greed and fear. What helps me out is I even analyze out loud, just so I can hear it. I'll be like, okay, I'm risking 24 cents. I gotta get out. If it hits 27 cents, I'm selling. So this thing's going back down again. I see the volume decreasing a little bit. I'm up 14 or like 14-15 bucks just to practice discipline. 26.5. I should be getting sold really soon if this thing goes up a little bit more. Need a little more buying right here. Green's coming in a lot, so people are smacking the ask. Bam. It just jumped over my limit. You guys seen that? I'm gonna move this up a little. See how they just skipped me? Just got filled, you guys, at 26.7. So quick about a 10, 12, 11% move. Got in at 25. So that was our 3-to-1 risk reward, but it was really 2.5. But I really did this video just to show you how you guys could buy and sell and move orders around. And there's different ways. Anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for everybody for subbing. And always remember, you guys, plan the trade, trade the plan. Stick to your plan. Have a good one.